Leigha Walloon may be small in stature, but her spirit is mighty. As a nurse supervisor for the intensive care unit at Doctors Hospital of Augusta, she works the overnight shift. She is a shining example of compassion and service.
I came from a faraway place in the Philippines, and I came here for a purpose.
For 8 years, Leigha has worked at this hospital, but her service doesn't end when she leaves here. It continues at the Agape Children and Christian Ministries house. In 2016, Leigha purchased a house in a high-crime area of South Carolina. Leigha saw a need. The children who lived in the neighborhood needed a safe place to come after school. It's here they learn about faith, having goals, respect, and are loved.
I want to mentor, I want to encourage.
Leigha also collects donations of shoes, coats, and socks for the children of Agape.
She is so deserving of it. She's just awesome. She's rare. She's like a rare stone you find every now and then. To work with Leigha or beside Leigha, it forces you to do what is right, because that's who she is.
Leigha has not forgotten her homeland. She and her husband launched a Christian radio station there. She purchased a rice field and donates what is harvested to the pastors and staff of the radio station and to those in need.
Wow, what an amazing person. First, to work a full-time job, and then to spend all those hours caring for her community, caring for people in need.
An unselfish devotion to patients, children in need, her family in the Philippines, and the community are the reasons why Leigha Walloon is this year's employee recipient of the HCA Frist Humanitarian Award.
Thank you so much. It's unexpected.
As Medical Director of Emergency Services at West Florida Hospital, Dr. Marc Stavros combines quality patient care and compassion every day. His bedside manner speaks volumes about his passion for service.
Everybody's given gifts and talents. We're called to use those gifts and talents, and I knew pretty early on that I wanted to serve others.
We're very proud of Dr. Stavros. He's an incredible man. He's an incredible husband with 8 children, ages 7 to 22. He is a true humanitarian.
Dr. Stavros began his medical career serving in the United States Air Force, eventually earning his pilot's license. While he's worked at West Florida Hospital for 17 years, it's what he does outside the hospital that elevates him. He leads an annual mission trip to Panama with Florida State University medical students, providing health care to those in need. Dr. Stavros also helped create a nonprofit organization to help students from Panama attend medical school. He piloted a telemedicine program in rural Panama, giving access to health care for the underserved. Back in the United States, his very personal connection to addiction has led to a whole different kind of service. His sister, Larissa, died of a drug overdose.
I was absolutely devastated because I had no idea.
He honored his sister by not only becoming board certified in addiction medicine, but has opened 2 substance use disorder clinics in Florida, offering treatment, saving lives, and changing what he thought he knew about addiction.
You know he's there for good reasons. You know that he's going to put 120% when he's helping someone.
Dr. Stavros says his humanitarian work is simply part of who he is and gives credit to his wife for her support. But the most emotional part about this recognition has been reading letters written by friends, family, and his children. His oldest son wrote, "I wanted to be just like him."
It's very humbling. It's the ultimate compliment you could ever receive is to have something like that from your children. And so, yes, I've shed some tears on that.
For his compassion and dedication to serving those in need, Dr. Marc Stavros is this year's Frist Humanitarian Award physician recipient.
When you surround yourself with people that are like-minded, you can do amazing things at the same time.
At 75 years old, Beverly Ford is nowhere near close to slowing down. She has created a life of serving others. Here at Medical City Louisville, she has volunteered in the emergency department for 9 years, every Wednesday and Sunday, rain or shine.
I enjoy doing for others. I always feel like I get more out of anything that I give than the people that are receiving it. And when you feel that way, you just can't get enough of it.
Beverly's passion is the hospital's EMT EMS lounge.
We have the best snack room.
Beverly and her husband of 49 years also volunteer for the Louisville Fire Department and have since 2008. They wear a beeper and serve whenever the firefighters are called into action. They provide water, snacks, chairs, and tents to on-site emergency personnel. Medical City's volunteer manager, Gina Harrison, says at first she was only aware of the great work Beverly did at the hospital. Social media showed her that Beverly did so much more, defining dedication.
I'm so proud of you, and I love the fact that we had to find this out about you. You are an amazing person.
Beverly also serves on the board for the Texas Ramp Project, funding ramps for the low-income, elderly, and disabled. Under her direction, more than 1,800 ramps have been built.
We can go out and do that for them in half a day and change their life.
When I think about really Dr. Frist's words, good people beget good people, in my mind, he's talking about Beverly, and she embodies everything that's good, and I think she inspires us to be our best. Beverly, you deserve this and more. Thank you for being our shero. Thank you for embodying Dr. Frist's spirit. Thank you for everything that you do for Medical City Louisville.
Beverly Ford is this year's Frist Humanitarian Award volunteer recipient.
I only have one life, and I'm trying to make the most of it.